Okay, we're going to see the progress of the fire victims, see where they've getting with the house after the materials that 3 of our subscribers kindly made donations to. Daz and Donald's one. I've forgot the third one. I do apologize. We'll put it on the screen when I edit it.
Is my hair mess?
Is your hair a mess? It's always a mess, babe. No, it's all right. I'm all a mess. Just leave it. So we're going down here. We haven't got a clue where they're getting to, but I would imagine they've got at least the roof on. I hope they have anyway.
I think so. They buy roof, right?
Because we bought roof pieces and cocoa wood, so they should at least have the roof pieces on. Last night,
That's the main important, the roof.
last night the weather, my god, wind and rain, it absolutely sailed it down. So it might be a bit muddy here, I don't know. It's still a little bit wet. It's starting to dry out now, isn't it? What?
Let's see.
Oh, I thought you said something else. Can you imagine the effort the fire brigade made to put this place out and the locals, because it's way from the road, and they had to run a fire hose all the way up to the house, and the water pressure here is not that great no matter where you live.
They don't have idea that we're going.
No, nobody knows we're going, and they're probably going to think we're here to give them more assistance, which we're not. It was just one video, guys. Get on that side. It was just one video to help the family. There's no more videos, and we're not accepting any more donations, so please don't send us anything or ask to send anything. We're not being funny, guys, but again, we're not a charity. The police asked us to help. It was a one-off. You'll not see any other videos unless the police ask us to help again and we decide it's a good cause. Ooh, got a roof, look. There you go, they've got the roof on now, guys. That's good.
Yeah, they did. But the other side, I think, I don't know. Still not done.
They've got a roof there as well now, look.
Wow, improve na ay.
Kulang pa nga yung siminto kasalo.
Alam ka mo na siya, ano?
May pang floor.
Pero nagigda na kamo dyan.
There you go.
Pila lang kami kang plywood.
Ano lang, kumbaga, ano.
At least they're under cover from the elements now.
Ang kulang naman lang dyan.
So it's come a long way from where it was when we first come, guys. I think she's saying they've got no cement and hollow blocks. Straight away you see what they haven't got. But we can't help anymore, unfortunately we can't. But they've risen, they've put like a floor off the ground now so they can sleep up there. It's better than sleeping out in the open in Centro. So it was just going to be showing you how where it's got to, guys, and then the people that donated, they can see that the donations have been used how they were meant to be used, and I'm pretty pleased. I don't know what this is here. This is new. This has just been built, unless it's a washroom, I don't know, or another room. So there you go. It was just going to be a quick video to show you the progress. I hope Daz and Donald and, to my shame, the third guy, I can't remember his name, are pleased with where the money's been spent anyway. There's no police with us here today because Ramel and Ryan's been reassigned They're back in the PMP. They're not tourist police anymore for now. I don't think it's permanent. I think it's just temporary.
Si 5 years old na si babae. Si babae.
But I'm really pleased they've got a roof on now. That was the main thing. So you've bought the roof pieces, guys. You've bought all the cocoa lumber. You've bought cement, which is obviously all gone. I don't know what they've used the cement on because I can't see much more done to the sides. So anyway, it's looking good. It's looking good. Better than it was. And I'm just pleased the kids are out of the elements.
They sleep now over there.
Yeah, so they're off the floor now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good. It's nice.
But I'm just saying it's better than sleeping in Central.
Yeah. They put together the roof there.
Yeah, that's cool.
You want to go inside? No.
I'll have a quick look inside, yeah. See, it's not draining away the water.
Cemento ang pandiyan. They have planning to put on the floor, fix the
So
floor.
what have they done with all the cement we bought them? How many bags did we buy? Can you remember?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Because it,
Ginamit na po yan dyan. Hindi po. Tapos sa mga hollow block. Tapos sa ano.
Hollow block.
Iyo. Tapos nagkulang man. Kuyan man na ito. Nagpirang ano lang ito. Nagpo-flooring pa. Kaya nang
the sewage smells really bad. And it's here, look guys, look at that. So until they get sealed in, they're gonna keep smelling that. I like dogs, but I don't like dogs like that just bark for nothing. I know they're supposed to be guard dogs and do that, but when they're doing it throughout the day, that happens next door as well. They do the same all day, just barking at nothing. Somebody passes, they bark. That's what they're supposed to do, but it's supposed to be like for security at night time, not all day, every day during the night. It can be a little annoying if you don't like that kind of thing, guys. Cockerels, dogs, cats, rats, mice. Welcome to the Philippines.
Nagkakatulman lang kami. Pag maurano, maduros man. Dahil.
I asked her if there's a mosquito here and she said no.
No? Really? Oh, that's good.
Because it's dengue, right? Dengue.
So that's it then,
Pero
guys.
pag makaming doros, ang inalat ni panagurat, doros, magayon.
This is the last visit. We won't be coming anymore.
She said that when it's rain and windy, it's nice to sleep there.
Oh, cool.
Nakikakabit ka mo kurente?
Si tugang ko, nagkita-kita. Si mama niya, hindi man nagtuturo.
Saan ko nakakabit?
Diyan sa balbal. Hindi na nakauban siya taday. Madali man lang siya. Tabuko na may relax na.
So may nagagamit na din parang kamong kurente din?
Yung bayad naman yun. Binayaran niya kasi sa...
Just finish the video off.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys!
And don't forget to make sure the notification bell doesn't have a strike through it. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to live.